This is the place where we are going to stay. Oh, how cute is this? Oh wow, nice. Look at this masterpiece, guys. Isn't it cool? It's so cool. Place where I'm going to stay for 3 days. My home for 3 days. My home for the next 3 days. Nice. Our room is going to be there. It's nice. The view is on point, like it's amazing.
A homestay with sea view. What an amazing combo. And you can find small fish around the sea. I love the homestay and the ambience around, and the owner is very welcoming and friendly. If I could, I can chill here for the rest of my life. Not kidding, guys. I had beef and fish curry for the lunch.
This is a jacket. So cute. सनसेट का रिफ्लेक्शन आ रहा है वहाँ से, बहुत सुंदर से। अरेबियन सी। ये बीच का नाम मीरावर बीच है। हमको बहुत डर लग रहा है, देखो तो छोटा बच्चा लोग वहाँ बिठा रहे हैं, बहुत डर लग रहा है उनके लिए।
काजू मलाई 50.